you're having a good day. Today I'm gonna be talking about programming languages and what are the requirements you need to install a proper software. Let's begin with programming languages. Let's start with Java. Java essentially is a program you can use to create a full complete software or literally programs. So it helps you if you are at the moment it's easy to know when you are an informatics student, because if you are typing a sentence in Java, and if you are wrong, it will send you a message saying that that sentence is incorrect and you need to change it or modify it. So it's simple. You can create programs, and there are a lot of languages, and the most difficult and the hardest is assembler, because it is based on the core of the computer. You can literally translate all the instructions that your computer are programming, and with that is just, I think, one of the hardest. If I hadn't studied informatics, I wouldn't even be able to understand what are these words. And the next one is, what are the requirements? Well, you need to know if you are going to install a software like a video, something to play videos. You need to know what are the requirements, like the RAM, and the other one is your motherboard. How many slots do you have to install the RAM? What else? Your hard drive. You need to know how much are you gonna store on it. And finally, the RAM DIMM, and the RAM SIM. The RAM SIM is for 32 bits, and the RAM DIMM is for 64 DIMM. And based on that, an example, you can install a program, a software. So if you are using the DIMM tier, the SIM that is based on 32 bits, you're gonna need to install a program who uses an architecture based on your computer of 32 bits. Finally, the most important thing is that your motherboard needs to be properly installed, and to add more memory, if you are not able to put more RAM or more hard drive, there is one option, is the virtual memory, right? Virtual memory that allows you to storage your information on page on your hard drive. So that's one option. You are gonna need obviously more hard drive, but you can store more information in your virtual memory. So that's all for me. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand nothing, if you didn't understand some parts, just send me a message and I will respond you. So if you have some doubts, just let me know, and that's it. Have a good day.